What's up, guitarists? How's it going? Today we're going to do a little warming up, and then we're going to go through the 5 shapes of the pentatonic scale. You are familiar with one shape of the pentatonic scale, which is great, but we're going to try all 5 of the different shapes that there are, starting from the low E string. It'll open up a lot of the whole neck, basically, to be able to do the kind of soloing you can do with this one scale. If you could do that all over. And we're able to do that anywhere you were on the guitar, any position you're in, then you can really start doing a lot of really cool stuff with your blues soloing. So we'll get into that later. First, let's warm up. I'd like to do sorry, I started that too soon. I'd like to do 1, 2, 3, 4 up the neck on each string, just like this, like we've done before. Once we get to the top, though, I want to take our whole hand and go up 1 fret and then come back down 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'll speed it up. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1 fret, 4, 3, 2, 1. When we get to the bottom, go up 1 fret again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll do it without stopping, just like this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the way up a fret, down, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then when you get to the bottom, you go up a fret again for 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Hope that makes sense. Let's try it 1 time slower and then 1 time faster. Faster than that. Let's see. Let's do 8th notes at this tempo. A little slower than that. 1 and 2 and ready, go now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shift up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Nice job. Okay, now let's try that a little bit of a faster tempo. Let's do 8th notes now at this speed. Oops, sorry. Get our fingers going. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the way up. 4, 3, 2, 1 on the way down. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Okay, hope you're all warmed up. Let's talk pentatonic. So, what we've done lately is we've used that A minor pentatonic scale right here on the 5th fret. I want to do, that's our shape number 1, okay? That's our regular minor pentatonic scale. So, what I want to do though is I want to move that up to the 12th fret right here, the double dot. So we're going to do an E minor, okay? And that's the position I know that you know already. This one where you do 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. So let's play that one real quick. Ready? 8th notes. Just like that. And straight back down. Just like that. Ready? Sorry. 1, 2, ready, go. One more time. 1, 2, ready, go. So that's your E minor pentatonic scale. I want you to do the same thing now, but I want you to start on your low E string. So if this was 1, right, if your open E string was 1, then 4 would be right here. Open A would be 1, and then 4 would be right here. And then open D, and then 3 would be right here, right? So it's the same fingering, but you're using open strings instead of your first finger. Does that make sense? So for the open E minor pentatonic scale, we would do O, 3, O, 3, sorry, O, 3, O, 2, O, 2, O, 2, O, 3, O, 3. So let's try that together. Quarter notes first. 1, 2, ready, go. E, G, A, B, D, E, G, A, B, D, E. So that's still pentatonic shape number 1. That's the same shape as this, but we're doing it down here now with open strings. So the next note in this scale though, after we start on E, G is our next note. So that is where we're going to start our second pentatonic shape. Pentatonic shape number 2. This one, so the first shape, the fingerings are 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, right? So each pentatonic shape has its own set of 1s, 3s, and 4s, basically, 2s sometimes. But this second pentatonic shape, shape number 2, is going to start on the 3rd fret, okay? We're our second finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have our second finger right here, okay? Now, these are going to be the same notes as E, G, A, B, D, E, but we're going to start on G this time. So we're going to have G, A, B, D, E, G, A, B, D, E, G, A. So it's still those same 5 notes in our pentatonic scale, but this time instead of starting on E, we're going to start on G. Okay, so the fingering for this one goes like this. It goes 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, and then straight back down. Pentatonic shape number 2. Okay, let's go over that one more time. 2, starting on the 3rd fret. 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4. Back down. Second pentatonic shape. Let's play that with the metronome. Quarter notes. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome. Let's move on to pentatonic shape number 3. Our 3rd pentatonic shape may be the most complicated because there is a shift in this one, but it's going to start on our 3rd note of the pentatonic scale. E, G, A. That's our third note, A. So we're going to start right here, 5th fret of the E string with our second finger again. So we did our second finger here, now we're going to do second finger on the 5th fret of the E string. Fingering for this one, again, these notes are still just E, G, A, B, and D, but we're going to start with A this time. A, second finger, 4th finger for B, next string, second finger again. For D, 4th finger, next string, second finger. For G, 4th finger for A, next string, 1st finger for B, 4th finger for D, and now we're going to do a shift. So we're going to go up 1 fret for the next string, 1st finger, 4th finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger. Then we're going to come back down. Shift. So this one, like I said, is in 2 different positions, basically. They're very close to each other, just by 1 fret. It goes 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, shift 1, 4, 1, 3. Back down. Notice that shift. Back down into my first position where my second finger's in the 5th fret. Let's try that. Quarter notes first. 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome job. A little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Nice job. For the 4th pentatonic shape, we're going to go to the 4th note in the pentatonic scale. E, G, A, B. So B is where we're going to start for this one, okay? This shape starts on, remember this is the 4th pentatonic shape. This one starts on the 1st finger, okay? And we're still going to go through those notes. Those 5 notes of this pentatonic scale, again, are E, G, A, B, D, and then it repeats over and over and over and over and over again, okay? So, here we go, we're starting on B. So our next note is D, 4th finger, and then E, 1st finger, G, 4th finger, A, 1st finger, B, 3rd finger, D, 3rd finger, 1st finger, E, 3rd finger, okay? And then we're gonna do the 2nd finger for G, 4th finger for A, 1st finger for B, 4th finger for D. So let's go over that again. From down here, that's 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4. Back down. Mess that up at the end. Okay, let's try with the metronome. Slower tempo first. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome. Let's speed it up a little bit. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Excellent. The final pentatonic shape, the 5th pentatonic shape, is one of my favorites. It starts on the 10th fret, okay? So we have the E, G, A, B. What's our next note in the pentatonic scale? D. So this one's going to start up on D right here. So we're going to start on our 2nd finger at the 10th fret. 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. come back down. One more time. 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Messed up there at the end though. You get the idea. Let's try it with a metronome. Okay? This one's a little easier. I like this one. 1, 2, ready, go! Excellent. Faster tempo. 1, 2, ready, go. And now you'll notice that we're at the 10th fret, and our next note in the scale is E. So we will be back to our original scale shape, which I said is the same thing here. Sorry. As it is down here. Same thing, same scale. One is using open strings. Sorry. One is using open strings. And the other is using the closed frets. Same scale. And all the ones in between. So I want you to go back and practice all of those pentatonic scales, because then you'll be able to go through all of them. Be able to play an E minor pentatonic no matter where you are on the neck. Awesome job. See you later.